Hey guys, Jeremy here with Simplelittlelife. Hopefully you're doing well. Hopefully you're staying healthy, safe, looking after yourself, looking after others. Social distancing, weird. A few days ago I put a poll on my community tab asking your thoughts. What do you think about if I were to start a new YouTube channel and keep this one dedicated primarily for knife related or making related content? Almost 2,000 people voted on that poll, and 33% said start a new channel, 67% said keep everything in one spot. Now, I did a little bit more digging and kind of going beyond just that poll. And when I look at the numbers on my channel, the most popular videos by far are knife making videos. And when I delve deeper into that, when I look at where most of my subscribers come from, it's from the knife making content or the making content. Things like Slow Food Sunday or personal vlogs, that kind of stuff, it doesn't get a lot of views on this channel, and that's fine. I'm not after the views. But I just want to make sure that the people aren't getting frustrated when they come to see a knife video and then they got me like cooking biscuits in a field. I totally get that. You know, when I subscribe to a channel for a certain video, I like to see the same thing coming back. Say if I get a subscriber and they're like, oh, that's a great video. He just made this knife. I want to subscribe to this channel. So a few days goes by, I upload a different video of me doing something completely different. He opens up his YouTube and YouTube takes one of my recent videos and slaps it on his homepage. He's looking at this homepage and he's like, what's this? That stuff is the stuff that I'm trying to avoid. So if you like that stuff, if you like other content that I do on this channel, I'm just simply moving that to a different space in YouTube. That new channel is my first and last name, Jeremy Gertz. That's what it's called, Jeremy Gertz. I'll put a link in the description. You can check out that channel if you'd like to. I just put my first video up there today, and I'm actually going to be doing daily videos on that channel. I like editing videos. Editing to me and making videos is, oh, I absolutely love it. I don't think it would matter what I make videos on. I will make videos because I enjoy it. So that's what I'm opening this second channel up, is that I can kind of broaden my horizons. You know, I can talk about tech. I mean, I got a brand new camera, but I haven't made a video on it for this channel because I don't think it would fit. Stuff like that. Daily vlogs, gear reviews, tech reviews. I might do EDC stuff. I think it's gonna be better so that the people that have found this channel for the knife making stuff, which most of you have, that's still gonna be here. We'll still do the Tool Time Tuesdays, maybe some like multi-part vlog builds, full build videos, but still sprinkle in stuff. And if I'm doing other projects around, like I still have to finish up the last phase of my little grinding area, that's still gonna be a video, it's still gonna come out. So in a sense, all that stuff on this channel won't change. And I think ultimately there won't be a very noticeable change on this channel because most of the other stuff that I've wanted to film, I just haven't done it. And it eats at me inside. I'm like, I wanna make this video, but I'm not going to because it just doesn't sit well with this. New channel, check that out if you want to. I'd love it if you checked it out and subscribed. I had 0 subscribers this morning and no views. That's a weird feeling. I'm also really interested to see what it's like to start a YouTube channel from the ground up. All the limitations and stipulations that YouTube has on new channels, I've got all those. I can't monetize, I don't think I'm allowed to go live, I don't have a community tab, all these things that I've got on Simplelittlelife, you know, I don't have it there. So I'm really interested to see what it's actually like to start a channel and within how YouTube treats you based on your numbers. Now, I think it'll be cool. I think it'll be fun, and maybe I'll have a little insight to give to people that might want to start new channels in the future. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for listening to me ramble-damble on. I sincerely do hope that you stay safe, you stay sane, and man, this is a weird thing we're going through right now. Actually, I just did a video about how weird this was on my other channel. They even told me not to get out of my vehicle. That's weird, isn't it, kids?
Yeah.
More than anything, just be good to each other. Let's have patience with each other. And now more than ever, the slightest little friendlies go a long, long way. So I give friendlies to you. I wish you nothing but the best. And thank you so much for all your support here, for watching these videos. Take care, and we will talk to you in the next video. Cheers.